Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss the multi-cloud strategy in Databricks, which is an important topic for enterprise architecture decisions and Databricks interviews. Databricks is designed as a cloud-native platform that runs across multiple cloud providers, allowing organizations to choose or combine cloud environments based on business, regulatory, and technical requirements. Understanding Databricks' multi-cloud capabilities helps data engineers and architects design flexible, resilient, and future-ready data platforms. This subtopic explains how Databricks supports multiple clouds, why organizations adopt multi-cloud strategies, and what best practices should be followed for successful implementations. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured and interview-oriented learning of Databricks concepts. What is a multi-cloud strategy in Databricks? A multi-cloud strategy means using Databricks across more than one cloud provider. Organizations can deploy workloads where it best suits their needs. Databricks provides a consistent experience across clouds. This reduces dependency on a single cloud vendor. Why do organizations choose a multi-cloud approach? Businesses want flexibility in cloud selection. Regulatory requirements may demand regional or provider-specific deployments. Risk is reduced by avoiding vendor lock-in. Multi-cloud improves resilience and availability. Which cloud platforms are supported by Databricks? Databricks runs on major public cloud providers. Each cloud offers similar Databricks capabilities. Native cloud integrations are supported. This ensures consistent functionality across environments. How does Databricks provide a consistent experience across clouds? The Databricks workspace interface remains the same. Core features behave consistently across platforms. Engineers can reuse skills and workflows. This simplifies multi-cloud adoption. What are the key benefits of using Databricks in a multi-cloud setup? Workloads can be placed strategically. Data platforms become more flexible. Business continuity is improved. Organizations gain long-term cloud freedom. How does multi-cloud improve disaster recovery? Workloads can fail over to another cloud. Data replication improves availability. Downtime impact is reduced. Business operations remain uninterrupted. What challenges exist in multi-cloud Databricks deployments? Managing multiple cloud environments adds complexity. Cost tracking becomes more difficult. Data movement must be carefully planned. Governance must be consistently enforced. How can costs be managed in a multi-cloud Databricks environment? Resource usage must be monitored closely. Workloads should be placed based on cost efficiency. Autoscaling helps control compute expenses. Cost optimization strategies are essential. How does data governance work in a multi-cloud setup? Governance policies must be consistent across clouds. Access controls should be centrally managed. Audit logs provide unified visibility. This ensures compliance and control. How does Databricks support secure data access across clouds? Identity management integrates with cloud providers. Permissions control access consistently. Encryption protects data across environments. Security remains uniform in multi-cloud deployments. How does multi-cloud impact data engineering workflows? Pipelines can run in different cloud environments. Engineers must manage cross-cloud dependencies. Automation helps maintain consistency. Workflow design becomes more strategic. What role does automation play in multi-cloud Databricks? Automation reduces manual configuration. Environments can be provisioned consistently. Deployments become repeatable and reliable. Operational complexity is reduced. How does multi-cloud support regulatory compliance? Data can be stored in required regions. Cloud selection can meet legal requirements. Compliance policies are enforced consistently. This supports global operations. What best practices should be followed for multi-cloud Databricks design? Standardize configurations across clouds. Use automation and infrastructure as code. Monitor performance and costs continuously. Apply strong governance controls. How does Databricks handle portability across clouds? Workloads can be migrated with minimal changes. Common APIs and tools are used. Code reuse is supported. This simplifies cloud transitions. How does multi-cloud reduce vendor lock-in? Organizations are not tied to one provider. Negotiation power with vendors improves. Strategic flexibility is increased. Long-term risk is reduced. What monitoring considerations exist in multi-cloud environments? Monitoring must cover all cloud deployments. Metrics should be centralized. Alerts must be consistent. This ensures operational visibility. How does multi-cloud affect performance? Performance varies by cloud provider. Workloads must be tested and tuned. Data locality impacts execution speed. Optimization is required for each environment. How does Databricks support collaboration in multi-cloud setups? Teams use the same workspace experience. Shared standards simplify collaboration. Access controls manage cross-team usage. Collaboration remains seamless. Why is multi-cloud a common Databricks interview topic? Enterprises increasingly adopt multi-cloud strategies. Interviewers test architectural thinking. Real-world scenarios are discussed. Strong answers show advanced knowledge. What interview questions are asked about Databricks multi-cloud? Questions focus on benefits and challenges. Governance and cost management are discussed. Disaster recovery scenarios are common. Clear explanations demonstrate experience. How does multi-cloud support future scalability? New regions and providers can be added. Platforms scale with business growth. Architecture remains flexible. Future needs are easier to accommodate. How does Databricks simplify multi-cloud management? Unified interfaces reduce complexity. Consistent tooling improves usability. Automation streamlines operations. Engineers manage fewer differences. What mistakes should be avoided in multi-cloud Databricks deployments? Ignoring governance leads to inconsistency. Poor cost monitoring increases expenses. Manual processes increase risk. Planning is essential for success. Why should Databricks professionals understand multi-cloud strategies? Multi-cloud is common in enterprise environments. Professionals must design flexible architectures. Interviewers expect strategic knowledge. It enhances career growth opportunities. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.